Atomic orbital. Orbital is the probability of finding an electron in a specified region around the nucleus of the atom. Atomic orbitals are mathematical functions that describe the wave nature of electrons in an atom. There are 4 different kinds of orbitals denoted S, P, D and F, each with a different shape. S orbital. S orbital is spherical in shape. The size of the S orbital is also found to increase with the increase in the value of the principal quantum number n. Thus, 4s is greater than 3s is greater than 2s is greater than 1s. P orbital. There are 3 p orbitals whose axes are mutually perpendicular. They are px, py and pz. P orbital is dumbbell shaped. Each p orbital consists of 2 sections better known as lobes which lie on either side of the plane passing through the nucleus. The 3p orbitals differ in the way the lobes are oriented, whereas they are identical in terms of size, shape and energy. As the lobes lie along one of the x, y or z axis, these 3 orbitals are given the designations 2px, 2py and 2pz. Similar to s orbitals, size and energy of p orbitals increases with an increase in the principal quantum number. 4p is greater than 3p is greater than 2p. D orbital. D orbital is double dumbbell shaped. There are 5 degenerate d orbitals. These orbitals are designated as dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. Out of these 5 d orbitals, shapes of the first 4 d orbitals are similar to each other, which is different from the dz square orbitals, whereas the energy of 5 d orbitals is the same. F orbital. F orbital has 7 degenerate orbitals. F orbital is 4-fold double dumbbell shape